Hello there, traders. For today's analysis, I will cover Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will go for Euro versus US dollar and USD versus Japanese yen. I will start with the Bitcoin versus US dollar first. So, as I suggested in my previous forecast, basically, Bitcoin did a perfect setup for the further rally. So, again, I will go for just reasons, some of the reasons why I think this pattern and this breakout is pretty important. We got a higher lows. As you can see, the price is basically making higher lows. We also got a 20 this middle Keltner line here that you're seeing. This is basically a 20 exponential moving average here. Price did undercut below that and just regain the power and start to drift, basically, like making like a 3-day flag. And today we got a clear breakout at the upside with a higher low for the day. So this like a whole, you know, basically before that the Bitcoin did a 65% move on the daily time frame and then started to correct, made ABC, started to contract, and it seems like we really can trade higher towards the 66,850 again, maybe even higher, but that will be the next major reference point. If I go to intra-frame, you'll also find that the breakout, the intraday was trading like building the higher highs and higher lows all day long. And prior to this big upside breakout, we had like ABC and again contraction. So it's just getting, there's an absolute sync between the intraday structure and the higher degree structure. So, you know, watching for buying at the pullbacks, watching for maybe hourly pullbacks or so on the EMA and so on, watching for continuational patterns will be probably appropriate strategy. And with a major take profit around the 66,850. So definitely watch for buying opportunities from my perspective. Euro dollar, this is interesting because if I go and show you this on the 30-minute time frame, if we see the Friday's drop, left actually two important zones. One zone is here where basically we got a single prints. You will find that we got a single print here and we got a single print here. So single prints meaning that we didn't have actually trading back and forth during this zone. So market basically just sold off there, and the volume was pretty high as well during this sell-off. So for me, you know, as long this area can hold and as long this area can hold as well, 1.1645, and this area and the high at 1.1620, this is a good for potential more downside moments, right? For more downside moments, and I can see this too. I will try to place some pitchfork trend line just to right there. We have this channeling mode. If you even place like this, just if you like to use the trend lines in channels, you can place like this, and you'll basically see that price played out nicely in this area, held like support, and then we sold off and broke below as well this channeling mode here, which was active here. Even if I do like version, which is more like shift version, we broke that and now we're backing. So basically, in terms of also pitchfork work, we broke original pitchfork work, we broke this channeling mode, and we got a lower low. We basically got a double top, and we sold off on a bigger volume. So I do expect more downside, and definitely areas to watch on the downside. They're set at the previous day low, 1.1545. Also have the 2-day low at 1.1537 and 1.1523. And the final one I want to cover for today, we speak about the USD versus Japanese yen. I found it on the 15-minute time frame and the 30-minute time frame, we get a bull divergences that we got right there. You know, we made a lower low and also made a higher low, and basically that is a sign that probably this downside cycle for today, for this morning at least, is we completed that, and that we might see some rally in the next pair and the price to react back on this Japanese yen. So again, watch for some buying opportunities. We see some like bullish divergences. And that will be all for today. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe and see you all tomorrow morning.